All right, let's get still now. I invite you to sit upright as is comfortable for your body. And let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. And as you exhale, let your body relax. Let your body relax. And let's consciously relax the body now, sending the message to our feet, relax and let go. Sending the message to our calves, to our thighs, relax and let go. Let your arms relax, your shoulders, your biceps, your forearms, and your hands, all relaxing and letting go. Let yourself be here now, putting aside cares, concerns that you might have brought in with you. And let yourself be here right now, present to your body right in this moment. Allow your abdomen and stomach to relax. Relaxing the muscles in your chest. Relaxing the muscles in your back. Just sending the message, relax, relax, relax. Let your hands be relaxed. Relax the muscles in your neck, the front, the back, the sides. Move awareness into your jaw. Let your jaw relax. Relax your face, your eyes, your ears, your nose, your whole face, your forehead and your scalp. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Relax. And acknowledge, as Emerson said, I am the inlet. To paraphrase him, I am the inlet and can become the outlet for all there is in God. I am the inlet and can become the outlet for all there is in spirit. That we are right now and always connected with the source of all good. Connected with the source of life, of healing energy, and right now, imagine light, the healing life force within you, radiating in every cell and atom and every organ and function of your body. Feel that right now, healing is taking place in your body, in your mind, in your emotions, in your spirit, dissolving all sense of separation from your spiritual nature, from Source. Feel yourself as a radiant spiritual being. And as the way shower and teacher, Jesus the Christ, said, "You are the light of the world. Let your light shine." Know within yourself right now, I am the light of the world. I am letting my light shine. Feel and see yourself filled with light, radiant with light, healing light, harmonizing light, joyous, fulfilling, loving light. Feel the warmth, feel the radiance. Feel as if the room where you are, the house where you are, the apartment where you are, wherever you are, is now filled with light, the light of your own being. And know within yourself, I am the light of the world. Not you as a ego, you as an expression of spirit, the I am, as you. I am, God in me, God as me, is the light. I am the light of the world. Hold that idea now in the silence. I am the light of the world, and turn your awareness within, listening, waiting, sensing, receptive to this inner light, this inner presence. I am the light of the world. I am the light of the world. And from this awareness of the truth of who we are as a spiritual being, we acknowledge our friends and family and loved ones, knowing you are the light of the world. Seeing and sensing that each one of our loved ones is a radiant being of light as well. We see them filled with the light of God, the light of Spirit. Whole and complete. Having everything they need. Inner joy, inner peace, inner strength, inner love. Attracting whatever's needed in the outer world. And remembering loved ones who have moved on to the other side of life. Acknowledging that they are eternal spiritual beings. Always living in spirit, living in source. And we see our planet Earth enfolded in this light of God, the light of Spirit. And we acknowledge the spiritual essence and nature of every person. Sensing the realization that we are all on this planet Earth together. We are all on this spaceship Earth in the middle of the galaxy, middle of space. We're on this Earth together. Every person, a being who deep down wants to love and wants to be loved. And in this realization, we recognize our unity, our oneness. And there is gratitude. There is thanksgiving. Giving thanks for this realization of oneness. And now we bring our awareness back to our body, back to the room where we are. Moving hands, moving fingers, moving toes, feeling the chair beneath us, the floor beneath our feet. Letting our eyes adjust to the lighting. And now we trust. We trust that we are guided and directed each and every moment. And so it is. Amen.
Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.